If you have a 2024 Mustang and you want to make the side of it look a little bit more aggressive or lower without actually having to lower your vehicle, then pick up a set of these RTR rocker splitters. These are going to be a very easy install. There's going to be no serious or permanent modifications needed to install them. So let's go ahead, put this thing up in the air and show you how to do it. The first step to this installation is removing the factory clips on the factory rockers. Don't worry about breaking these clips when taking them out because we're going to end up replacing them with all the clips that come with the RTR kit. At this point, we're going to put up the RTR rocker splitter on the OEM rocker. And then I'm going to use a jack to keep it up there. So as you can see, I got the jack in the middle of our RTR rocker splitter, and that's so I can actually line up all of our holes because we are going to have to drill into the OEM rocker to be able to mount it. After you drill the first set of holes, remove the rocker splitter from the car. And then at this point, step up the size on your drill bit and drill out those holes a little bit bigger that we just made on the OEM rocker. Inside the kit, there's going to be these like rubber threaded grommets. And basically now we're going to take these and put them into the rocker where we just drilled those holes. Now you're going to grab the push clips that are inside the kit, and then you're going to want to put them on the inside of the RTR rocker splitter holes here, which will actually go into the OEM holes of the rocker. Inside the kit's going to be these bolts, and we're going to end up using those for the actual rubber inserts that we put into the OEM rocker. So simply thread them in and then tighten them down. One thing I want to mention as we're putting these bolts in, don't use an impact or anything like that on them. They only take about 10 inch-pounds, so you don't have to crank them down super hard. For the guys that don't know how tight 10 inch-pounds is, get it about hand tight and then 3 rotations with the ratchet and you should be good. At this point, when you've finished up with whatever side that you're working on, you can go ahead and repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Well, we're all wrapped up with the RTR rocker splitters, and these things look absolutely awesome on this S650. I'm super excited to put all these RTR parts on this 2024 Mustang. In the next video, we're going to end up doing the quarter splitters, and then if you want to see any more, make sure to subscribe and turn on this post notification so you get all the updates from our channel.